Today on Pure Octane Garage, the Vivapower surface cleaner for your dirty concrete.
Oh yeah.
Not the grass.
Well, can you imagine?
It's a weed whacker.
We're gonna try. Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you detailing information
And other automotive goodness when we can. Today,
we're going to talk about cleaning.
cleaning. Yes, Brandon, cleaning.
We've got a little something here that Vivapower sent us in exchange for a review. So that's what we're doing here today with you guys. It's the Vivapower Pressure Washer Mate. 14-inch
Pressure washer
surface
mate.
cleaner.
Oh, sorry, I talked over
No,
Brandon.
you're
here.
good. Pressure Washer Mate. I just realized that's what it was called.
Do you mind if I show the viewers?
But we've talked about this, like,
Yeah,
you're
here.
detailing your cars out a lot in your driveway, right? There's a lot of dirt and stuff. You end up kind of staining some areas of your concrete, right?
Yeah,
Especially when you're
I'm
detailing.
looking right now. I can see the
I got a mess
the
out
area.
there.
Yeah, it's
Do you want to know?
messy.
I don't have this problem as much anymore because I don't own the vehicles that have Brembo brakes. You know where I'm going with this. The brake dust. I used to rinse those suckers
yes.
out, and it would leave the brake dust residue kind of dries on the concrete, and it looks gross. So this would probably be perfect for that. Yeah, we've got tire marks. There's bird crap all over that driveway. So we're gonna put this thing to the test to see if it can clean a portion of the driveway for us today.
Even I've seen situations too where a vehicle, not ours, or at least I hope not.
So dirty.
No, or you get a little leakage of maybe tranny fluid.
Yeah, fluids, yeah.
Oil. So what you do is you soak. I mean, I know you can try to extract the
Pull it
oil
out of
with. You can use,
porous
like
concrete.
a quick dry, or kitty litter to.
Powder, yeah.
And then,
kitty litter, that's right.
Soak it with like a good degreaser and then run over it with one of these.
Yeah,
To really
I like that.
break that up. So, I don't know, it's just a thought, but.
Yeah. So anyways, 14 inches. Let's look at it. You're going to hook up to your pressure washer, which we'll do here in a minute. And there you go. You've got your sprinkler down there, right? I assume that it's going to turn like that. There's a nozzle on each
So there's
end.
two nozzles slightly opposing each other,
It's
right?
very stiff bristles.
Oh, it's bristles. I didn't even
Careful.
realize. Oh yeah. Very nice. It feels
Quality.
very well built.
Yeah.
It's
Little casters
all
here.
metal,
Keep your hand away.
right?
Warnings?
Any other? I mean, there's a whole
List of warnings.
warnings,
Just
but
keep your hands out of it.
yeah,
Hook it up. Your
and
hand
don't put your
shouldn't be near it.
toes in there or anything like that.
Yeah, and so it looks like you've got a little kit here of some Teflon tape if you need it. Some extra of the pressure washer nozzles that we just showed you under there.
Wow.
Some extra O-rings, and I believe these are to clean the nozzle out, these little, oh shoot, they probably can't see me doing that.
Yeah, come on, Brandon. You gotta show. I mean, they're like,
Show
hey,
the pieces.
let me see.
All right, so here's the nozzle I was talking about. And then obviously this little tool they give you to, if you need to clean it
Oh,
out,
holy crap, that's neat.
right? So you get maybe some sand or debris in there and clean that out. O-rings. We obviously don't need these for today because this is a maintenance item. These are all
Yeah,
maintenance.
and I like the
cleaning
fact that it does come with the extra nozzles and O-rings.
That's very helpful. Yes, I agree.
That is very good. I mean, everything feels, all these, they're all locking
Yeah, the locking nuts on
nuts. Yeah, exactly. This feels really tight. It feels really good. It even has a little like screen in there.
there. Little filter. Yes.
Little filter. Yeah, that's a better word than
Screen
screen.
filter.
Yep. Of course, here's your extenders, right?
Yeah, we can go and hook those on. And while you're doing that,
Well,
it's a 1/4 inch quick connect right here. So perfect. That's what we're
1/4
using.
inch.
Diameter 14 inch. We said max pressure 4,000 psi. We're not using a pressure washer that goes near that because it's
No.
electric, and I think it's 2,000, and that's on a good day.
Okay.
So you could use gas pressure washers with it, obviously, if you can go that high. Minimum 2,000. Well, shoot, that'll be interesting. We're right about there. I think the one we're using says rated 2,200.
Okay.
But I don't think it quite registers. They usually don't register as high as they say, but we'll see. Max water flow 3.7 gallons per minute. Max water temperature 104. Ooh, that's interesting here. Well,
Yeah.
we're in the garage. We'll be okay.
Yeah, water's always hot here, especially in the summer. It's either hot or hotter.
That's it, guys. I say we take it out there and
Yeah. We will have a link for this beauty
that's
down
right.
in the description.
again, yeah, Vivapower sent this our way. They reached out and asked us. So
Yeah.
you're exactly right. They gave us a link. Thank you, Ryan, for remembering.
Yeah, I was like, we want to share.
And the bonus of that link is there's a 15% off of Amazon. It's on Amazon's exclusively. So there's a 15% off when you use the link if you want to pick one of these
Perfect,
up.
nice and easy.
So
we'll give you a demo here and
let's get out and
go
use
from
it.
there.
right. That was actually really fun.
Really,
I enjoyed that.
really easy to use.
Yeah, you know? Vivapower, that was cool. I've never used one of these ever, so it's my first experience with a surface washer. Is that right? Surface cleaner for the pressure washer. So, and I don't have anything to compare it to because I've never used anything. But this felt like a quality unit to us. It's built well.
No leaks.
No leaking. You were mentioning it contained all of the water and debris stayed with these nice brushes that brushed across the ground as you're cleaning.
Yeah, so. I was wondering if I was going to get like wet shoes.
Yeah, how much? We were worried about moving the car, remember?
Yeah.
It was like it might shoot everywhere. It didn't.
With these nice bristles, it just kept everything contained.
And you saw that in the video.
Now, the only thing I can compare it to is my driveway is shorter, but I've pressure washed it by hand, you know, standing just with the regular wand. And
that's
it
tedious.
takes time. You work your way down.
It works, but it's tedious, and you're cleaning a little path about this wide, right?
My shoes got really wet.
Yes.
So and
this is gonna save you some time.
And I got a little tired. You know, maybe I need to work out a little more. But anyway, this made that really easy. It glides real nice.
Yeah, good. So, the casters worked great and everything. So Vivapower, thank you again for sending this our way. And hey, from what we can say, recommend definitely.
Yeah, it makes cleaning your garage and driveway a heck of a lot easier.
Don't forget to check the link in the description like we mentioned earlier. There's a link to Amazon for this with that 15% off if you want to pick one up for your pressure washer. I will say the one thing, we weren't able to knock off all that tire tread that we've beat into that concrete. And I think that's the pressure washer. It's low PSI. We're talking right at the threshold of the minimum for this. So I think with a little more pressure, it probably would have broken through those tire marks, but the dirt, you guys, is completely cleaned off. Appreciate you guys watching. Until the next one, please like, subscribe, ring the notification bell if you want to see more videos from us. Check out the merch also in the description below.
Yes.
And it makes a nice drum. Steel drum.
Well, I don't have enough rhythm, so go ahead.
I'll play us out.
Play us on out.
See you guys. Appreciate you.
Bye.
Those are some serious drumsticks.
Heavy metal.
Get it.
Well, I feel like I'm under pressure.
Oh, going with the puns.
Puns are fun.
I have nuns.
I'm not very punny.
No.